Question number 131, which says the feature which is unique to the metaphase 1 of meiosis is. So understand, here during metaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes that form the bivalents actually align themselves at the equatorial plate, which is actually something very unique here. So we see the options. The option number 1 says formation of metaphasic plate, which is not unique here. Separation of sister chromatids, which actually happens during anaphase. Third option says alignment of bivalent chromosomes on equatorial plate, which is actually something very unique here. And fourth option says movement of chromosomes towards equatorial plate, which is actually not a part of metaphase 1. So we see the correct answer is option number 3, which says alignment of bivalent chromosomes on the equatorial plate, which is actually unique to metaphase 1. So we come to next question, that is question number 132, which says arrange the following events of mitotic division in correct order and choose the option accordingly. So we have to arrange the sequences in a correct order with respect to mitotic division. When I am talking about mitotic division, here the interphase is followed by M phase, which is divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, which is eventually followed by cytokinesis. So understand, here when I am talking about the correct sequence, first of all we talk about prophase. Here option number C is saying Golgi complex and nucleolus disappear, which is actually seen in prophase. Then we have the option number A, which is saying condensation of chromosome is completed, which is representing metaphase. Then we have option number D, which is saying chromatids are moving to opposite poles, which is representing anaphase here. And then we have option number B, which is saying chromosome cluster at opposite spindle poles, which is actually representing telophase. So we have the correct sequence, which is depicted by option number 2, which is our correct answer. We move to question number 133, which says how many duplications of centrosome occur in one complete meiotic division in an animal cell. Understand, centrosome, which actually consists of two cylindrical structures which are called as centrioles, helps in cell division, and for a meiotic division, first duplication of centrosome occurs during S phase. So we have the first division occurring during S phase, and the second duplication of the centrosome is actually happening in the two daughter cells. The second division is happening in two daughter cells, and this actually happens during the interkinesis. So total we have 2 plus 1, 3 duplications here. So the correct answer will be option number 4. So we move to question number 134, which says select the incorrect match from the following. And option number 1 says zygote, that is occurrence of synapses, which is actually correct option here. Then we come to dikinesis, which says disappearance of nucleolus, which is also the correct here. Leptotin says coiling of chromatin, which is also a correct option here. Option number 4 says pakaitin means chiasmata shifts to the tip of chromosome, which is actually wrong, because during pakaitin the exchange of genetic material between the non-sister chromatids of the homologous chromosomes occurs. So the option number 4 is wrong, which is actually our right answer here. So we come to question number 135, which says in a cell division the enzyme recombinase is involved during the process that. So understand, when I am talking about the process of recombination, it's actually the recombination of genetic material between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes actually brings the genetic variation among the daughter cells, and the enzyme which is responsible for this is nothing but recombinase. So we see the options here. The first option says split centromere and separate sister chromatids apart, which is wrong. Second option says causes genetic variations in all 4 daughter cells, which is the right option here. Third option says align the homologous chromosomes together. This is not making any sense. And the fourth option says is responsible for the formation of synaptonymal complex, which is also wrong. So we have option number 2 as the right answer.